Hi everyone, you're welcome back to the Tech. In this new video, I'm going to be showing you how you can activate the stem feed on your TikTok app. So the TikTok stem feed is an optional feed that's available on your TikTok. It allows you to watch content that are solely dedicated for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And now you can activate the stem feed on your TikTok app if you're someone who is interested in science related content, or you want to activate that for your kids. So here's how to go about that. The first step is to launch your TikTok application and then click on the profile icon on the bottom corner of the screen. So right from the profile page, you would want to click on the hamburger menu on the top right corner of the screen. And then on the pop-up, you'd want to click on settings and privacy, and under content and display, you'd see content preferences, which is just the fifth option on that section. All right, so the third option on the content preferences says stem feed. So what you want to do is to click on stem feed and click on turn on. All right, so that way stem feed is turned on your TikTok already, and what that does is to give you an optional feed that's dedicated to science, technology, engineering, and mathematics video only. So to access the stem feed, what you need to do is to click on the back arrow button, and then you come back to your profile and click on the home icon right on the options at the top. Just click on stem just on the top left of the screen. All right, so this way you can begin to see content that are solely dedicated to science, technology, engineering, and mathematics contents alone. Like the video that is being viewed currently is a mathematics video. So if you scroll further, you see other contents on the stem feed. So that's how to activate the stem feed on your TikTok app. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.